Hi everyone, I am Manoj Khandelwal and welcome to Uncodemy, India's #1 IT training company. In today's video, I will discuss about operators in Python. So firstly, I will discuss what is operators in Python. So what is operators? An operator is a special symbol or a word which can be used for computations. So any symbol or any word which is reserved as an operator in Python and which can be used for computations also is called as an operator. Basically, there are operators are the special symbols and words reserved in Python programming language which can be used for the computations. Types of operators. So for example, say 12 and 12 plus 45. So here 12 is the operand, plus is the operator, and 45 is also operand. So operators works on operands. So plus symbol in this example is called as the operator, and this is called as the addition operator, which comes under the category of arithmetic operators in Python. Types of operators. There are many types of operators such as arithmetic operators, Second one is assignment operator. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators. Third one is comparison or relational operators. Fourth one is logical operators. Fifth one is the spatial operators. Spatial operators. So firstly, I will discuss the first category, arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So arithmetic operators can be used to perform mathematical or arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and many more in the list. So we'll understand these through an example in Python. So I have two numbers, and num1 is I have this number, and num2, and the second number is say 14. Now I want to perform addition. So addition. So we can create one more variable, total, say num1 plus num2, and we can print its addition. Now I will perform the second mathematical or arithmetic operations. So the second one is subtraction. And the operator for subtraction is hyphen. Here the operator is plus symbol. And here the operator is this, hyphen, dash for subtraction. So we have to subtract. So this is the result of subtraction. Then third one is multiplication. Say multiplication. And we have to change the name as well. So here the name is diff. Then here is product. And here the operator is star or asterisk. Asterisk is the multiplication operator, and here the message is multiplication. Then division. And the name of the variable where I'll store its result is div, and the operator is slash. So slash symbol is used as the division operator, and the message is division itself. Division, and here the variable I want to print is product. And here is the div. So using arithmetic operators like plus, minus, asterisk and slash, we are able to perform arithmetic or mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and we can print. So there is a problem where it is. Okay. So let me cut it from here. This one. Okay. Do it like and put it here and mark down. This is the definition and this is the example. So addition of 23 and 14 is 37. Subtraction from 23 of 14 is 9. Multiplication is 322 and division is 1.648 and so on and so on. So this is how do we use arithmetic operators, simple arithmetic operations or mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number